Exercises really work when you know how to do them properly. These videos are here to show you how to perform the exercises safely and effectively. Once you've mastered the technique for the exercises, you'll be able to use them in our workouts. We will show you different variations of the exercises so you can select the one that best fits your current fitness levels. We'll also give you some coaching tips along the way to help with the exercises and to make them individual to you. Don't worry if you're not able to do all the exercises straight away. This will give you something to aim at, and with practice, you'll be able to take on more difficult exercises. Squats are essentially sitting down and standing up. It's something that we do every day. We want to be able to master this movement to improve your confidence moving in and out of chairs and cars. Okay, so now we're going to work on the flexibility variations of the squat. Monty here is going to use the sofa. You can use an armchair, and we're just basically going to sit down on a sofa, and he's going to use both arms to help stand him up. So off you go, Monty. Good, and sitting down, nice and controlled. Trying to keep that chest upright as much as you possibly can. Nice. And we'll go for one more rep. Now Monty's going to stand up a little bit more dynamically. Brilliant. So the next variation, we're going to move away from the sofa and we're going to use this chair as a support. Monty's going to put something underneath his heels. This is going to take the ankles out of the movement if you've got stiff ankles, but if you don't need to use a wedge, then you don't need to bother, because the main focus here is our hips. All right, so hands on the chair. Monty is going to sit his hips back, and he's going down as far as he feels comfortable. Good, Monty. And down again, just seeing if you can get a little bit further next time. And this time he's going to go all the way down. Again, your back's rounded at the bottom. You're just going to try and sit nice and deep in the squat. The final variation, we're going to take the chair away. Again, leave the chair there if you're a little bit unconfident with the movement, and Monty's going to try and do the same thing, sitting all the way down or as far as you feel comfortable. Nice, Monty. Again, we're trying to keep that chest up and open. And again, to add a little stretch, he's going to put his elbows on the next one. He's going to drive his knees out to increase the stretch. So he's down, elbows inside the knees, and just gently pushing out. Again, remember to breathe. And coming up. Well done, Monty. Now we're going to do our strength variations of the squat. So first variation, we're going to use this chair or sofa again, and Monty's going to sit down onto the sofa, and you're going to use your arms to assist you getting up. Okay, so and using the arms to just help get out the sofa. Always control sitting down, driving up, make sure you're not falling forward through the chest. Brilliant, and one more rep. Good job, Monty. So the next variation, we're not going to use our arms at all, so we're just going to stand up, arms out in front, which will help counterbalance, keep that chest up, and slowly lowering down. Well done, Monty. We'll go for one more rep. The next variation, we're not going to use a chair or sofa. We're going to put the wedge underneath our heels, and we're going to squat down as far as you feel comfortable. Again, reaching the arms out front, which will help keep the chest upright. Again, you can see Monty's getting a little bit deeper on each one. Driving up. Well done, Monty. And the final variation is we're going to add a little bit of weight. So Monty's grabbed one dumbbell, and he's going to perform the goblet squat. So again, our heels are elevated. He's holding the dumbbell against the front of the body, and he's going to lower down slowly and control Again, it's great to add load on these. This is eventually where we want to go in the strength exercises, is adding a little bit of external weight. Slowly lowering down. And the next variation is if you have two dumbbells. So Monty's going to grab the second dumbbell and he's going to hold them up against his shoulders. Yeah, nice. And he's slowly going to lower down. Keeping the heels down. Again, just going as far as you feel comfortable, and as your confidence grows, getting a little bit deeper. Well done, mate.